Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei P40 Pro, and today I'll show you how to record your screen on the device. So simply pull down the notification panel and you'll have the screen recording toggle right here. Now before you actually tap on it, you want to hold it, and it should take the settings, assuming there is one, but it looks like this one doesn't give you any settings. So okay, got it. Let's try that once more. Nope. Okay, so you don't have any settings apparently, but once you tap on it, it will start recording. And you have the mic right here, so it is recording my mic, but I can tap on it to mute it. And as you can see now, it's muted. And it's recording now for 16 seconds. And whatever I do, it's basically going to be recorded on the device. So any app that I open, apart from like Netflix and a couple other ones that apparently bugger into your system and decide to not allow you to record their screen, and you will just be having a black screen. Anything else is just a normal fair game in recording. And also, whatever you pressing your button, it will be recorded. As you can see, it basically shows a bunch of points on the screen where I am tapping. And now that I have stopped recording, it automatically gets saved to the gallery. So let's open that where you can get to see how it looks like. I'm also gonna mute that, so there we go. So let's allow and start playing. There we go. As you can see now, it's playing, and you can see that little dot that is basically where I was touching the screen with my finger. Let's skip through it because I wasn't doing much here. There we go. And you should see, like, when I was also touching the display with multiple fingers, that has also been recorded. So right about here, I think. Yeah, there you go. So you have 2, 3. So yeah, it basically all gets recorded. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.